Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of ergonomic keyboards with the KINESIS Advantage360 split ergonomic keyboard. Let's start with what makes this keyboard stand out from the rest. The KINESIS Advantage360 boasts a patented split design, featuring concave key wells, thumb keys, and an orthogonal layout. This unique setup is proven to increase comfort and productivity, helping you breeze through your workday without any strain. Now, what about the typing experience? Well, the Advantage360 is equipped with Box pink silent stem switches, providing a premium typing experience with low activation force and incredible durability. Plus, the new and improved PBT keycaps not only resist shine but also enhance the overall look, sound, and feel of the keyboard. But wait, there's more. The SmartSet programming engine makes customization a breeze. Whether you're reconfiguring profiles on the fly using onboard programming, or diving deep into macros and special actions with the SmartSet app for Windows, Mac, the Advantage360 offers endless possibilities to tailor your typing experience to perfection. And fear not, tech enthusiasts. The Advantage360 is plug-and-play compatible with all major operating systems, including Windows, macOS, Linux, and Chrome. Plus, with a 3-year warranty and US-based tech support, you can rest assured that KINESIS has your back. So, if you're ready to take your typing game to the next level, look no further than the KINESIS Advantage360 split ergonomic keyboard. With its innovative design, premium features, and unrivaled comfort, it's a game-changer for anyone who spends hours in front of a screen. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on the latest tech products. This is Product Critique, signing off.